What's up YouTube, Kainu back here again for another video. Today I'm going to show you how to check which apps on your computer checked your location in Windows. Without further ado, get into it. Alright, so here we are on our desktop. All you're going to do is come down to the Windows search bar and type in settings. Type in settings, go ahead and open it. Once you're in settings, you're going to go to privacy and security. Once you click on privacy and security, go to location under app permissions. When you click on that, you're going to automatically see, oh, no, I have a lot of things checking my location. It's kind of creepy. But if you want to change it and turn it off completely, you can come to location services and then just, turn it off altogether. And then if an app really needs your location, it'll ask for it. But as for me right here, I have certain things that are allowed. So I have CommCircuit. So that's just like a communications platform, something like Teams, Skype, something like that. Used my location. Microsoft Edge used my location. OBS, the actual application that I use to record, access my location. My VPN access my location. Pretty typical stuff, I would say, has accessed my location, but that is not everything that has accessed my location. If you come down a little bit further, you can click on recent activity. That's 122 requests right there in the last 7 days. Kind of creepy, not gonna lie. But if you open that up, it's a lot of Windows web experience packages. So this is pretty much Windows updating, accessing my location for automatic updates. It's pretty normal stuff, I would say, and them updating my system. Okay, so if we keep going through those, boom, Microsoft Edge in there one time, boom, Windows Web Experience Pack, Proton VPN, boom. You just keep looking back through them, check and see if they look pretty normal. Windows Web Experience Packs, can you leave them on? Yes. Can you turn them off? Yes. It just depends on, how, secretive you really want to be. Me personally, I don't really care if Windows is accessing and updating my machine. But some of you might be like, hey, I don't want anybody touching my machine ever. But then kind of give yourself up to other vulnerabilities. Like, hey, now your machine's not getting patched with the latest security updates. So now a hacker could potentially get in and steal your data. So for me personally, I think best thing is to leave this on. I don't love my computer being accessed all the time, but to keep it up to date, it's kind of a must-have, not gonna lie. But that is how to check which applications are checking your location. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, drop them down in the comment section, and then make sure you like and subscribe, and don't forget, take it easy.